Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to create a deadline funnel campaign in simple steps. The link to deadline funnel is in the description. First, go to the website and click on sign up free. Start your free 14-day trial by filling in your contact information, billing address, and payment method. Then, click on complete your order. You'll need to confirm your email to proceed. Now, log in with your email and password. Click on continue. Click on create campaign. Type in your campaign name and category name. Choose either ConvertKit or WordPress as your email provider and landing page builder. Select your campaign type and click on Next. Fill in your deadline length in days and time and select your time zone. Click on Next. Select a tag that starts the tracking in deadline funnel for a subscriber. Automatically create the webhook in ConvertKit. Enter your page URL and alternative URL after the deadline expires. Click on Finish. Your campaign setup is complete. You can find the link to deadline funnel in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.